Hey guys, it's Cookie Cupcake and my sister.
Peace.
We are trying to make slime.
I know a slime recipe.
We know a slime recipe. We're going to make slime tomorrow with you guys. And
Once we get back from someone's
birthday. Oh, it's going to be so fun.
Okay, I'm gonna do mine first, excuse me. I know my ingredients.
My hair is messy. I'm so sorry.
So, what you need is a plastic container. Then you need flour. And this is only 2 ingredients. Flour in a bowl and water. And I'll show you what it will look like.
And some lotion. I'm using.
Oh, jeez, that's too much. Don't add too much.
This is from Bath and Body Works. Yeah, don't add too much.
Either it's just getting watery, add more flour.
Or clumpy. And we're using baking soda.
Can I have some baking soda, please? Just a little. Enough. I'm just adding mine because I just wanted it.
We're both doing different.
This is edible, don't add it. But if you want it tasty, add some icing. Because you're kind of making cake. Okay.
Where are you? I don't see you.
Mine's turning slimy.
Okay, look at that.
Where are you?
Lucky. Now I just need more
Where are you?
flour.
I saw this on a YouTube video, and I forgot her name, but
That was
she was the best. She knew how to make slime. Ooh, this is... I kind of made butter slime. We had foamy and active and whatever.
Yeah, we're going to make slime tomorrow. Not like actual slime, but we mean like Instagram slime.
You know, the butter slime. We always dreamed of it, so we're gonna make it tomorrow when my mom comes
it's
back
fluffy
shopping.
slime.
Fluffy slime. I want fluffy slime because it's really good. So we're really warm and the heat's off.
So we open the window. We're going to close the door so the heat doesn't come in.
Today, 200 block Victoria Street. Clothing men confidently.
And then it's like if it's really sticky like that, get some more flour. What you can't do in this one. Okay, if it's like this, you have to scratch your hand.